Welcome to the Mohican Valley Bike Trail, a scenic 5-mile ride starting right here in Danville, Ohio. This trail is part of the statewide Ohio Bike Route 1, connecting seamlessly to the Kokosing Gap Trail on one end and the Holmes County Trail on the other, giving you miles and miles of connected riding. At the Danville trailhead, you'll find free parking, a sturdy bike rack, a water fountain to fill up, and a picnic area perfect for post-ride snacks. But keep your eyes open. This is a shared path with the local Amish community, which means you might be dodging the occasional horse and buggy and even the souvenirs the horses leave behind. From Danville, the trail winds through peaceful countryside, crossing the famous Bridge of Dreams, and ends about a mile past its trailhead. This is a ride full of beautiful scenery and small-town charm. Let's hit the trail.
Heading straight for that bridge of dreams. Mohican Valley, wind in my hair. Country roads calling, take me there. Dodging buggies, laughing loud and free on the Mohican Valley. That's where I'll be. Got parking, picnic for two. Fill up your bottle, got some miles to do. From the Kokosing Gap to Holmes County line, Ohio Bike Route 1 is riding just fine. Mohican Valley, wind in my hair. Country dodging buggies, laughing loud and free on the Mohican Valley. That's where I'll be. Well, the bridge is long and the view's just right. Mohican River rolling in the golden light. Pedal fast, pedal hard, let your spirit fly. With a country song playing in the bluebird sky. Mohican Valley, wind in my hair. Country roads calling, take me there. Dodging buggies, laughing loud and free on the Mohican Valley. That's where I'll be. Mohican Valley, riding all day, Bridge of Dreams just a mile away. Kick it up, feel the freedom roll. This country trail's good for the soul.
All right, this is the star of the show, the Bridge of Dreams. At 370 feet long, it's one of the longest covered bridges in the whole country that you can actually bike across. Back in 1920s, it started life as a railroad bridge, but in the 90s, it got a serious glow up into the covered bridge you see today. The trailhead here is just outside the little village of Brinkhaven, right about the halfway point on the Mohican Valley Trail. You've got parking, a picnic area, and easy access to keep going east onto the Holmes County Trail or head west back toward Danville. Like the rest of the trail, this bridge is shared with our Amish neighbors. So yeah, you might be crossing alongside a horse and buggy. And you'll definitely want to watch where you're riding. Crossing the Bridge of Dreams gives you these amazing views over the Mohican River, and it's pretty much impossible not to stop here for a picture. And that wraps up our ride on the Mohican Valley Bike Trail, from Danville's welcoming trailhead to the scenic stretch past the Bridge of Dreams. Whether you're here for a short 5-mile spin or connecting to the Kokosing Gap or Holmes County Trails for a bigger adventure on Ohio Bike Route 1, this route delivers peaceful views and small-town charm, with just a little extra obstacle course thanks to our Amish neighbors. If you enjoyed this ride, hit that like button, subscribe for more trail adventures, and drop a comment sharing your favorite spot along the route. Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your eyes on the road. See you on the next ride.